Today we're going to solve a past paper question taken from Cambridge Mathematics Base Server. This question is related to column vector. So the question is h is a point 52 and j is a point -36. Find vector hj. To solve this question, we need to convert the coordinate of h, which is 52, and coordinate of j, which is -36, into a column vector. So the position vector of h is OH is 5, 2, and the position vector of j, which is OJ, equals to -6. So we need to find hj. Find hj. Hj is nothing but the position vector of j minus position vector of j is -36, and position vector of h 5, 2. We subtract -3, -5, 6, -2. We get -8, 4. So this is column vector of hj, -8 and next they tell us to calculate the magnitude of hj. To find the magnitude of hj, we have to take the modulus of vector hj. The modulus is nothing but the square of x, which is square, and square of y, 4, and take their root. So it becomes root over 54 plus 16, which is root 20. Then they tell us to find the midpoint of each j, m, and the position vector of m. So first we find the midpoint of h and j. So the point of the coordinate of h is 5, 2, and coordinate of j is -3. We find the midpoint of hj. Find the midpoint of hj, we take the sum of the x coordinate, which is 5 plus -3, and divided by 2. Similarly, for y coordinate, 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So this is 1 and this is 4. So this is the midpoint. So to find the position vector, we just convert this to column vector, which is 1, 4. So this is our answer. Thank you, students.